guys, do you want to know how to install Microsoft SQL Server and how to use it? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to install Microsoft SQL Server, and I will be showing you how to create database and how to create table inside it. Everything I'm going to show you step by step. So do follow my video till end, guys. So let's start the video. You can open any of your favorite browser and just type SQL Server. And here you can see it is showing the official website, that is Microsoft.com. You can just click on this SQL Server download link. And now it has redirected me to SQL Server download page, and here we are having different downloads available. Just scroll below, and here you can see we have free special edition downloads available, developer as well as Express. So we will be installing Express, which is again a free edition. So just click on this download button. Okay, here you can see it has downloaded my exe file. So now this download is done. Let's install this. So just click on this exe file. Let me minimize my browser, and here you can see it is showing me SQL Server 2000 Express edition, and it is showing me select the installation type. Three type it is showing me: basic, custom and download media. I'm going to select basic. Okay, so just select this basic. Okay, on this page we have to accept the license and agreement. So just click on this accept button, and now it has taken me to this page. It is showing the installation location of SQL Server. So it will go in C:\program files Microsoft SQL Server. If you wish to change, you can click on this browse button and just change. Okay, so now I don't want to change. I'm keeping default. So I will be clicking on this install button. It is downloading installation packages. After downloading packages, it will install it. So we have to wait for a while. Okay, so you can see it is showing me download successful. So now it will start installing it. So we have to again wait for a while. Okay, so guys, you can see my installation is also completed. It is showing me it has completed successfully, and here it is showing me different information. So first information is connection string. So it is showing me instance name and its connection string. Second is what? Log file. So whenever you create database, a log file is created. So this is showing me the folder of log file. And next we have installation media folder. And lastly we have installation resources folder. So these are the folders location which has been shown over here. Now to verify the installation, you can just click on this connect now button, and if you see something like this, that means your installation is successful. Okay, now I am going to minimize this. So now I will be installing SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio. So that is a studio, means a tool. Using that you can write a query, you can connect to your database, you can create a database, everything you can do at one place. So for that you need to click on this install SSMS button. It is going to open on your browser. So now you can see it has taken me to again Microsoft website, download SQL Server Management Studio. So let's download SSMS. So for that I have to click on this link, download SSMS. Okay, my download is started. Now we have to wait for it. Fine guys, my download is done. Now I will be clicking on this to start my installation. I'll just minimize this. So guys, here you can see it's showing me this screen. So here I'm going to click on continue button. Now here it is showing me this option. So I need to select all these four options. So along with SSMS, this will be installed. So just check mark all these four options. So AI assistant and all these four options will be installed. And here you need to click on install button. So guys, it will take a while. Please wait for it. And guys, my installation of SSMS has been done. It's showing me this screen. I'm going to click on OK button. So guys, now let's search SQL Server Management Studio in search box. So here I'm just going to open this and it is asking me sign in option. So I'm not signing in. I'm just selecting this last option. And guys, it has started my SQL Server Management Studio. Here it is showing me AI Assistant. So if you wish to connect with AI Assistant, you can select this or you can cross this. And now next it is asking connection property. So we need to provide server name. So server name is going to be your system name / SQL Express. So you can find your system name through system info property, or here under username, whatever has been shown, you can take that as username. Okay, so here in my server name I'm just typing this username. So my username is big desktop hyphen something something. So I'm just entering that. After that I'm writing SQL Express. So this is going to be my server. We are taking Windows authentication and no other changes. Just check mark on this trust server certificate and click on connect button. And guys, here you can see my connection is successful. Whatever query you want to execute, you can execute. Here it's showing me my databases, already available database. We can execute our query also. So I'm simply creating one database. So for that I'm just writing a new query. So I'm just selecting this new query option and I'm writing a command for creating database and I'm just hitting this run query button. So just to show you that yes, it is actually running and executing my queries. And guys, now here under database I'm refreshing and you can see it's showing me my database. So guys, this way you can install SQL Server, latest SQL Server on your system. So guys, I conclude my video. I hope by following my video you are really able to install Microsoft SQL Server on your system. So guys, if you like this video, hit on like button and share with your friends. And guys, if you have any query, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, I have shared my all social media link in description box. You can follow me or join me there also. You can send me your queries on Instagram, but before that you have to follow me. Also, I'm sharing lots of PDF and notes on my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel. That too freely I'm sharing. Guys, if my videos are really helping you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for receiving notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning.